Okay, quick question. Someone does something really nice for you. Maybe they help you carry something heavy. Maybe they cover for you at work. Maybe a stranger gives you directions when you are totally, completely lost. And you say, "Thank you so much." And then they look at you and they say, "You're welcome." That's it. Just, "You're welcome." Like a machine. Did that feel a little cold to you? A little empty?
I felt it. I definitely felt it.
Oh, David, I didn't see you there.
You were making robot faces at the camera again.
I was making a point.
She makes a lot of points. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm David.
And I'm Anna, and today we are talking about something that sounds very simple, but is actually really, really important.
What do you say when someone thanks you?
Because "you're welcome" is fine. It's not wrong, but if that's the only thing you know how to say, you're missing out on so much warmth, so much connection, so much realness.
And for English learners especially, this moment can feel awkward. Someone says thank you and your brain goes blank, you say you're welcome in a flat voice and you walk away feeling like that didn't go well.
We know that feeling, and today we're going to fix it for good.
Okay, before we get into the phrases, can we just talk about why this matters? Because I think some people might be thinking, David, Anna, it's just "you're welcome. Who cares?"
Right, and the answer is the person who thanked you. They care.
Think about it from the other side. You do something kind for someone, and you really mean the thank you. You're genuinely grateful. And they say, yeah,
Ooh, that hurts a little.
right? Or, or just a nod. And you walk away thinking, did that even land? Did they hear me?
When someone says thank you, they are opening a small door. They are being vulnerable. They're saying, "I noticed what you did. It mattered to me."
And how you respond to that, that's how you walk through the door or close it.
In English, the way you respond to thank you tells the other person, 1, whether you actually care, 2, what kind of person you are, 3, whether this is going to be a warm relationship or a cold one.
That's a lot of work for 2 little words.
English is efficient like that.
So, today we have 3 different situations, 3 different levels of thank you, and for each one, we're going to give you the exact phrases, show you how to use them, and my favorite part,
The role plays.
the role plays, which Anna is always so enthusiastic about.
I love role play, the English practice kind.
Obviously. Okay, let's go. Situation 1.
Situation 1. This is the most common one. The small, everyday thank you. Let me paint you a picture. You are in the office kitchen making coffee. A colleague comes in, reaches for a mug, and knocks a pile of papers off the counter. You catch them. You hand them back.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Or you hold the elevator door for someone running down the hall. Thank you so much.
Or you ask someone to pass the salt at dinner. Thanks.
These are small moments. The favor took you maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds? No effort, really.
And in these moments, you don't need a big, dramatic response. You just need something that sounds human. Something that says, "Hey, I see you. No big deal. We're good."
So here are your phrases for situation 1. Ready?
Ready. Phrase number 1. No problem at all.
Simple, light, says it wasn't a burden. You don't owe me anything.
Phrase 2. Of course.
This one is warm. Of course, suggests, naturally I would do that for you. It was obvious. It was easy.
Phrase 3. Sure thing.
Very casual, very friendly, a little American, great for people you know well.
Phrase 4. Don't worry about it.
This one is particularly good when someone seems a little embarrassed, like they feel they're asking too much. Don't worry about it puts them at ease.
And phrase 5. Anytime.
Which means I would do this again. I'm here for you, not just today.
Beautiful. Okay, now let's hear these in real life. David, can you role play the elevator situation with me?
I thought you'd never ask. Oh, thank you. I thought I was going to miss it.
Of course. Long day?
You have no idea.
Did you catch that? Of course. And then one small question. Long day? That's called extending. You don't just answer and go silent, you add one little sentence that keeps the warmth going.
And notice she didn't ask 20 questions, just one. Natural, easy.
That's real conversation, one small step at a time.
Let's try another one, the past salt situation. Thanks.
Sure thing. Is the food okay? A little bland?
I like salt.
No judgment.
Sure thing, plus a playful extension. Keeps things light, keeps things human.
Now, one important note for situation 1. These phrases, they work because they're small. If someone passes you the salt and you say, "It was my absolute pleasure," that is too much. The size of your response should match the size of the thank you. Small favor, light response.
Golden rule of English conversation right there.
Okay, situation 2. Now we're turning up the warmth a little.
This is when someone thanks you for something that actually cost you something. Time, energy, real effort.
Maybe you stayed late to help a friend finish moving apartments.
Maybe you spent a whole afternoon helping your cousin prepare for a job interview.
Maybe you listened, really listened, while a friend talked through a difficult situation for 2 hours.
And the next day they find you, or they send you a message, and they say, "I just wanted to say, seriously, thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you."
Okay, that one actually got me a little.
Right? Because this is real gratitude. This is someone being open, being honest about how much you meant to them.
And a flat "you're welcome" in this moment would feel like someone handing you a beautiful letter and you just fold it up and put in your pocket without reading it.
So we need something warmer, more present. Let's look at the phrases.
Phrase 1. I'm really glad I could help.
Notice really. That one small word does so much. It says, my help wasn't just automatic. I actually wanted to help you.
Phrase 2. That means a lot to hear, genuinely.
This one is interesting because it turns the moment around. Instead of just responding to their thanks, you're thanking them for saying it, for taking the time to tell you.
Phrase 3. You would have done the same for me.
Oh, that one's powerful.
Right? It says, we are equal. We're a team. This is how friendship works.
Phrase 4, I wanted to be there for you.
Simple, honest, no performance, just truth.
And phrase 5, anytime. I mean that.
Anytime again, but notice the addition. I mean that. That little extra phrase turns a polite word into a promise, into a real human commitment.
Okay, role play time. I want to do the apartment moving scenario.
Oh yes, because that is always exhausting. David, I have to say, yesterday you were incredible. I couldn't have done it without you. Seriously, thank you.
I'm really glad I could help. And honestly, your new place looks amazing, worth every box.
13 boxes of books. 13!
I know every single one of them personally now.
Did you notice what he did? He accepted the thanks, I'm really glad I could help, and then he immediately connected it to her. Your new place looks amazing. He made the moment about her, not about his effort.
That's the key in situation 2. Don't say, oh, it was nothing, because it wasn't nothing. It cost you something, but you chose to give it. That choice deserves to be honored, not dismissed.
But also, don't over-explain. Don't say, well, actually, it was quite tiring and my back still hurts and I was very tired and...
Please don't do that.
One warm sentence. That's all you need.
Let's do one more, the job interview one.
Oh, David, I just heard back. I got the interview and I keep thinking about our practice session. You really helped me. Thank you.
That's amazing news. I'm so happy for you. You worked hard for that. You were ready.
I was so nervous, though.
You would have done the same for me. That's what we do.
You worked hard for that. You were ready. He shifted the credit to her preparation, her effort. He helped, but he made sure she owned her own success.
And he used, you would have done the same for me, which creates equality, which deepens the friendship.
These phrases, they're not just language, they're relationship-building tools.
Okay, situation 3. This one is my favorite.
Mine too, actually.
The unexpected thank you. This is when a stranger, someone you've never met, someone you'll probably never see again, thanks you for something, and it catches you a little off guard.
Let me give you some examples. You're on the bus. An older woman is struggling with her bags. You help her lift them. She looks at you and says, "Thank you, dear. You're very kind."
Or you're in a shop. Someone ahead of you in the queue is 1 coin short. You give them the coin, they turn around. "Oh, thank you so much. Really, you didn't have to do that."
Or, and this one I love, you hold the door for someone and they're further away than you expected, so you stand there for like 15 awkward seconds while they walk toward you.
Oh, I know this one.
And they finally get there and they say, "Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you for waiting."
Classic door situation.
In these moments, the response you give is remembered because the person wasn't expecting kindness. You gave it anyway, and your response either confirms that you're a warm person or it makes the moment a little cold.
So the phrases for situation 3 need to do something special. They need to say, "I see you, I'm glad I could help, and it genuinely cost me nothing because I wanted to."
Phrase 1, "It was my pleasure, truly."
The word truly does so much work here. It lifts the phrase from polite to genuine.
Phrase 2, "Please don't mention it."
This is a little old-fashioned in a lovely way. It says, "Your gratitude is beautiful, but I don't need it. I just wanted to be helpful."
Phrase 3, "Happy to help. I hope your day gets even better."
Oh, that one is so good for strangers because you're sending them off with something, a small wish for their day.
Phrase 4, "Of course, we all need a little help sometimes, right?"
Beautiful because it puts you on the same level. It says, "I wasn't doing you a favor from above. We're all human. We all need each other."
And phrase 5, "Go ahead, you've got this."
Great for situations where you've helped someone with something they're nervous about, like letting them in front of you in the queue at the post office when they only have one thing.
Or helping someone find the right platform at the train station.
Role play time, the coin situation. I'll be the customer who's short. "Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm just 1 coin short."
"Here, please take it."
"Oh, really? Thank you. You really didn't have to do that."
"Of course, we all need a little help sometimes, right? Hope the rest of your day is wonderful."
Did you feel that? She didn't make him feel like a charity case. She didn't make a big deal of it. She normalized it. We all need a little help. And then immediately sent him forward with warmth.
That is how a stranger becomes a good memory in your day.
Let's do the door one because I need to redeem that scenario. "Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you for waiting. You really didn't have to."
"It was my pleasure, truly. Beautiful day, isn't it?"
"It really is. Thank you again."
No eye roll, no sigh, no "it's fine" said in a way that means it's definitely not fine. Just warm, easy, genuine. And one small comment about the weather to smooth the moment.
Because in that situation, the person already feels bad for making you wait. Your job is just to make them feel okay again. That's kindness in action.
Okay, let's put everything together. 3 situations. Quick review.
Situation 1, the small, everyday thank you. Quick favors, casual moments. Keep it light.
Your phrases: "No problem at all." "Of course." "Sure thing." "Don't worry about it." "Anytime."
Situation 2, the meaningful thank you. Real effort, real time, real heart.
Your phrases: "I'm really glad I could help." That means a lot to hear, genuinely. "You would have done the same for me." "I wanted to be there for you." "Anytime." "I mean that."
Situation 3, the unexpected thank you. Strangers, kindness in the wild.
Your phrases: "It was my pleasure, truly. Please don't mention it." "Happy to help. I hope your day gets even better." "Of course, we all need a little help sometimes, right?" "Go ahead, you've got this."
And the golden rule for every situation:
Match the size of your response to the size of the thank you.
small moment, light response.
Big moment: warm, present, honest.
And always, always add one small sentence after, one little extension. That's what keeps the conversation alive. That's what makes people feel seen.
Can I say something real for a moment?
Please.
Learning English, especially at the A2 and B1 level, can sometimes feel like you're performing, like you're constantly checking, am I using the right word? Is my grammar correct? Do I sound stupid?
I know that feeling. A lot of our viewers know that feeling.
And what we want you to understand is when someone says thank you to you, they are not thinking about your grammar. They are not grading your vocabulary. They are just a person wanting to connect with another person.
And the phrases we gave you today, they're not complicated. They don't require perfect pronunciation. They don't require B2 vocabulary.
They just require you to show up, to be present, to choose warmth.
That's it.
You already have everything you need to do this. Today's lesson just gave you the words.
Okay, before we go, your homework for today.
I love homework.
We know you do. Here it is. This week, every time someone says thank you to you, even in your own language, I want you to notice how you respond. Are you being warm? Are you extending? Are you making the other person feel seen?
And then try one of today's phrases in English, even if it feels a little strange at first.
Especially if it feels strange. That strange feeling, that's called learning.
We want to hear from you in the comments. Tell us, which situation do you find most difficult? The small, everyday one, the meaningful one, or the unexpected stranger moment?
And if you try one of these phrases this week, come back and tell us what happened. We love those stories.
If this lesson helped you feel even a little more confident, give it a like. Share it with a friend who's learning English. And if you're not subscribed yet,
That button is right there. We post new lessons every day. Real English, real situations, real connection.
we'll see you in the next one.
Take care of yourselves and each other.
Bye!